We ended up having to go to town and buy a whole new jack because the one that was on it that I did the video on with the wheels, as you can tell, somebody welded it and it didn't weld it straight. So we just ended up going with this configuration, and this thing works phenomenal. But anyway, so this is the seat that just came out, and as you can tell, it was pretty rotten, and didn't want to take the chance of having my fat butt fall through it. So swapped it out to some aluminum. We're gonna come back and we're gonna throw some plywood on top of that, and that'll be the new seat. And we're gonna also do the same thing with this one, and then also this one as well. So they're gonna all be aluminum, no wood in the boat at all, except for the plywood that's gonna go across the top. And then the next project is taking these four-wheeler ramps, and we're gonna slap plywood on top of that, and then we're gonna attach it to the ribs with some rivets and some angle aluminum. And this will be our new floor in the boat. This will be the new flooring right here. And then we may or may not make a deck out of this. I'm not quite sure at the moment. But yeah, all aluminum seating except for the plywood that we're gonna run on top, and then plywood that's gonna be on here, which is only gonna be like 3/8 of an inch thick. And yeah, this little boat's coming along good. All right, y'all. So that's 2 bench seats down. We'll have to see how this one plays out. We might have to run a rod down to that support beam. So we might have to end up putting like a piece of angle aluminum, and then square tubing going straight down. We'll have to see, but I mean, it should be pretty stout. So once we put the plywood on top, that is, you know. But yeah, next thing, getting this mounted in. That's gonna be awesome. Y'all stay tuned for the boat build. Wager Baits boat build, y'all. We're gonna make this one Sakale crappie catching machine.